Have you ever felt like something terrible happened, but later you realized it was actually a blessing? Life can be full of surprises, some good, some hard. But what if the bad moments are quietly protecting us? Let's listen to a short story about it. Long ago, in a peaceful kingdom, there lived a kind king named David. David believed in love, not fear. He wore a golden ring on his finger. On the ring were these words, "This too shall pass." It reminded him that nothing lasts forever, not sadness, not joy, not pain. One morning, David woke up, and his ring was gone. His ministers were worried. They said, "Oh no, this is bad luck." Soon after, bandits attacked the kingdom. David fought bravely, but he was badly hurt. His arm was injured. He couldn't hold a sword. He felt weak. He felt lost. One day, he whispered to himself, "Maybe this pain is not the end." Then, raiders captured him. But because he wasn't wearing his royal ring, they didn't know he was the king. They let him go. And that saved his life. Back at the palace, David found his ring under his bed. He smiled softly. The bad things had actually protected him. He gathered his people and said, "Sometimes what looks like loss is really a gift in disguise." From that day on, David taught everyone, hold on to hope. Be patient in hard times, because even pain has a purpose. Now, let's learn some English words from David's story. The word peaceful means calm and quiet. For example, the village was peaceful in the morning. Repeat after me, peaceful. The word transience means something doesn't last long. For example, the beauty of flowers shows transience. Repeat after me, transience. The word misfortune means bad luck or a sad event. For example, losing his job was a great misfortune. Repeat after me, misfortune. The word patience means waiting calmly without getting upset. For example, she showed great patience with her little brother. Repeat after me, patience. The word wisdom means deep understanding from experience. For example, his grandfather shared words of wisdom. Repeat after me, wisdom. The word blessing means something good that helps you. For example, good health is a true blessing. Repeat after me, blessing. Life's hardest moments often lead to our greatest lessons. If this story inspired you, like this video and comment one thing you learned today. Remember, every story teaches a word, and every word teaches a lesson.